Hi friends, welcome back to Playtime Creative Time. We're gonna be drawing together. Let's draw an easy cactus. First, we draw the pot. Draw a rectangle like this. And then we're going down. And the ones on the right. And connect it. Start drawing the cactus. It's an oval shape going down, and then let's draw the pattern. Let's draw the flower at the top, and then the last one, it's the thorn. Just draw as many as you want. And it's done. It's really easy, right? Let's start the color. Color the flower red, and then the cactus green. I'm coloring the pot pink and brown. What about you? Are you using the same color? Or do you want another colors? And it's done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.